Our Communication Division, DJ Code.
Welcome. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
The Galaxy S9. Thank you. Thank you. When we released the Infinity display, most people had never seen anything like it. Its groundbreaking design offered more screen in less space and quickly set a new industry standard. With the S9, we've built on this foundation, taking the same immersive end-to-end display and refining it even further. We've created a design so sleek and unified, you can hardly tell where the screen ends. We're also introducing Intelligent Scan. Intelligent Scan adapts to your needs, combining the key elements of iris scanning and face recognition to make it even easier for you to unlock your phone in more situations. The Galaxy S9 comes in 4 stunning colors: midnight black, titanium gray, coral blue, and the all-new, one-of-a-kind lilac purple.
The Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. If it's bright outside, the camera will automatically use the smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. So you can take bright, clear shots day and night. With dual aperture, we've used our industry-leading hardware to reimagine the camera. We've integrated a DRAM memory chip directly into the camera as part of our new super speed dual pixel image sensor. That means the camera itself can process 4 times as much image data as before to minimize noise and create a noticeably clear image in low light. See, when the lights were dim, we actually took a photo with the S9. Take a look. Pretty great, right? Well, our DRAM memory chip powers the S9's all-new Super Slow-Mo experience. With Super Slow-Mo, you can record videos at an incredible 960 frames per second. That means you can stretch 0.2 seconds of time, about the length of a blink, into a 6-second masterpiece. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. Just look at that difference. And it's not just short clips. Using multi-take, you can record longer videos with up to 20 different slow-mo scenes. That means you can slow down the action at just the right moments. What's better than a cat video? That's right, a super slow-mo cat video. There you go. And for those moments that are hard to time just right, we have auto capture. Just choose an area on screen, and any motion within it will trigger super slow-mo. So you can capture the magic exactly when it happens. And you can also turn your slow-mo video into a GIF, which you can play forward, backward, or on a loop. Super slow-mo lets you capture fun memories and create amazing moments that you can share with your friends. Now, let's check out how cool it is to create your own masterpiece. All I do is open up the camera, go to super slow-mo, and in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I think we got it. Let's check it out. How cool was that? How cool was that? All right. I'm totally gonna play it again. You gotta see it again. Sorry. Have you ever seen water look that good? And every time you make a video, automatic background music is added, and you can customize it to the perfect mood. And if that wasn't enough, let's check it out in reverse. Nice. Pretty amazing, isn't it? So you can set your slow-mo video as your lock screen to give your infinity display a unique personal touch. The S9 comes with a micro SD slot, which lets you expand your base storage. And now, for the very first time, we're bringing the incredible dual camera to the Galaxy S series with the S9 Plus. The S9 Plus comes with both a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. And it has optical image stabilization in both lenses. So you can take clear, focused shots, whether you're snapping a close-up portrait or a wide shot that captures more of the action. You're not just creating memories, you're creating art. With live focus, the S9 Plus lets you take beautiful portraits by adjusting the blur of the background to make the subject really stand out. And you can do it even after you've taken the shot. Best of all, you can use all these incredible new camera features no matter where life takes you. Because, of course, the S9 is protected from the elements with water and dust resistance.
Now, you can use either your front or back camera to map your unique facial features and expressions and create emojis that actually look like you.
All we do is open up the camera, go to AR emoji, create my emoji, and now use the front-facing camera to take a photo. It's actually as simple as taking a selfie. Just remove my glasses so it gets a clear view of my face. There we go. Now it's taking my image and creating my AR emoji. And there it is.
Nice.
All right, wait. It's a bit generous with the hair. But no worries. We can personalize that. So let's go over to this one. Okay, wait.
Definitely not.
I'm not completely bald.
No.
But how about this one?
Yeah, that's much better.
Okay, great. So now let's accessorize.
No, try the next ones.
That
yeah,
one?
Perfect.
Great. And lastly, wardrobe.
Not that one. Yeah, I think black t-shirt looks good.
Black t-shirt?
Yeah.
Perfect. Press OK. And now, personalizing my AR emoji.
See how it mirrors his actual facial expressions? You can even add voice messages to them. Plus, the S9 will generate 18 personalized emojis, all modeled after you. And here's the best bit. You can share all the emojis you create with your friends, no matter what kind of smartphone they have. And because we want users to enjoy the freedom that comes with open platforms and ecosystems, you can also use them with third-party apps like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. John, how about we show them these emojis in action?
Sure thing, Aaron. I just pulled up that AR emoji I created of me. Check out those eyebrows.
Nice.
Those are on point. And there's several other fun characters you can choose from.
Go with Bunny.
Bunny?
Yeah, that's cute.
Bunny. Okay, that was pretty cool.
And if you don't want to create your own emoji, you can use some of the other familiar faces, including one of the world's biggest celebrities. He's got a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and he's been a titan of the industry for over 8 decades. That's right, it's Mickey Mouse. Now, Bixby uses AR to show you search results in real time. Just hold up your camera, and Bixby will automatically detect the language and translate it for you live. So first, open up the camera, then I choose Bixby, then you select text search. I wonder what bacalao al horno could be. You hold it up, and Bixby will translate it for me live. Baked cod. Sounds good. Now, your camera can identify what food is on your plate and log the nutritional information directly into Samsung Health, so you don't have to spend ages adding it manually. As DJ mentioned earlier, Samsung has always been committed to the idea that technology can help us live better, healthier lives. Thanks to our partnerships with leading cosmetics brands Sephora, CoverGirl, and Amore Pacific, Bixby lets you try on makeup virtually. And if you like something, you can use Bixby to buy it through your camera. At launch, this will be available in the US, Canada, Korea, and China. As other companies join our platform, there'll be more opportunities to use AR to improve the way you shop. But that's not all. The S9 will also be compatible with Google AR Core, and developers are already working on creating amazing new AR apps and experiences for Galaxy users.
The ones where our favorite films, books, and shows all play out. With the S9 and the S9 Plus, we've created an unparalleled viewing experience. These displays are totally immersive. The S9 at 5.8-inch and the S9 Plus at 6.2-inch. And they look great too. We all know Barcelona is a stunning city, and it never looks better than when viewed through the screen of an S9. Vivid colors, gorgeous details. This is a screen that really pulls you inside. And with the S9, we've boosted the brightness of the screen. So in the brightest daylight or the darkest night, everything will look crisp and clear. The S9 features speakers on both ends of the device. They're the loudest ever in a Galaxy phone. Loudest ever. Loud. Thank you. These are new AKG-tuned dual stereo speakers, and they've allowed us to do some truly incredible things with our partners at Dolby. Think back to the last time you went to your local cinema. The sound was totally immersive, right? Well, we've brought that feeling to the S9 with Dolby Atmos, bringing cinematic sound to a mobile device. Dolby Atmos takes advantage of the S9's new stereo speakers to move sound all around you in 3 dimensions, so you can fully lose yourself in the film you're watching. And it works whether you're listening to the S9's amazing new speakers or on your own pair of headphones, by simply connecting them to the convenient headphone socket at the bottom of the device. The S9 is powered by one of the most advanced chipsets on the market, which means you can get speeds faster than gigabit LTE. Now, when you get a notification, you can just drag it down and open it in a new window, right on top of the current one. So you can respond to a message without interrupting the video you're watching. Our home screen now supports horizontal orientation. So when you're switching between apps, you don't have to keep flipping your phone around.
And thank you all so much for joining us.